Hello guys, Assalamualaikum, good evening. So today I would like to share with you how to create a blog. First of all, I would like to introduce you guys a term or a platform. We call it as WordPress, by the way, okay? WordPress.com. So if you guys don't know yet what is WordPress, so WordPress is free. They have free blog for free creating blog posts. Sorry for call it. Okay, I'm gonna check what is WordPress. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database with supported HTTPS features include a plugin architecture and a template system referred to within WordPress as theme. So this is simple brief of WordPress. So by the way, by using this WordPress platform, we can create a blog or a website. Usually for the website here, if we're gonna use this platform, we have to pay back. Right now, we are going to use this platform only for creating a free blog post. Okay, so if you guys don't know yet about this about this WordPress platform, first of all you should sign up, register, because I already registered. So I'm just click on it. Yeah, because I already registered, but you guys, you should register using by an email, and then they will email you the registration whatsoever, and from there you can sign in for this WordPress site. Okay, first of all first first of all, how to create a blog. When you open this kind of user interface, there is, we call it here as a dashboard. Okay, and then okay, if you look at here, the quick links, edit site, write blog post, add a page. So this is kind of things that features that I have in this dashboard. By the way, I'm gonna share with you how to create a blog, in a very simple way. Okay, once you are in this site, in this currently in this page, just click at my home. So you're gonna look at here. For the blog, you should give your site a name, update your homepage, customize your site menu, and then confirm your email address as well. Try the WordPress app, enable push sharing, and also launch your site to the world. Okay, first of all, what you should do is to give your site a name. So just click on it and name your site. Okay, and then because I already created this blog like a few months ago, so I already write a name here lah. So you guys, if you wanna create the blog, you should choose a very simple pronunciation for the name of the blog. Like catchy, attractive. Not too difficult. To people to pronounce it. Like some catchy name. So you can name it maybe by your name, your full name, or whatever. Not too long, the name. Okay, the blog name. And then yeah, you can post. You can think whatever site tagline you wanna put, or you wanna add on. Okay, maybe like here I wanna put like furniture and product design. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, product design. Okay, and then after that okay, yes. Okay, just, and then because I already created this one, for the site address here, you should choose before you save the setting. Okay, because this one already saved. You should think what the site address you wanna have for your blog. Okay, and like name it here, and then save the setting. Okay, all right. And then what else? Yeah, you save the setting here. Okay, yeah, already. For the explanation regarding to creating a blog, I'm gonna share with you with with next videos. Okay, see you guys later.